Hey YouTube, it's been a long time since I made a video and someone reached out to me recently and wanted me to make another video on paper bead rolling. So I'm going to take the time today to show you how it's done if you don't already know. But the supplies we're going to need are some like cardstock that maybe you get in the mail, or like a birthday card that you received and you no longer want it, or some like magazine paper. So I've taken the liberty to cut some strips right here. These are 1/4 inch and these are 1/2 inch by maybe 10-11 inches long, 3/4 inch by 11, and these two came off the birthday card that I just showed you. They're 1/4 inch by about 9 inches long. So all you're going to do is, if you have a ruler, just measure 1/4 inch or however long you want it. So I'm going to just put 1/4 inch. The line that you just made, line that up and put it to the very edge corner and draw your line. You can use this, cutting tool or your scissors, utility knife, or you can just use your eyesight and just cut without, marking out the lines or anything. Eyesight. So once you have your piece cut, I'm going to use one of these, 1/4 inch. I'm using a 1/8 bead tool I made myself. Just try to keep it as straight as possible. Yeah, I know I've been out of YouTube for a while. It's been months, and I got a lot of things going on, so I haven't been able to get on YouTube, make videos. So this is the first opportunity that I've probably had just to sit down and make a video. Once you get down to about 1 inch from the end, you're going to take your glue, put a little dab, hold it there for a few seconds and it should stick and hold. Once that's finished, you can pop that bead off. And now, if you want to use some Mod Podge on it or something, use some toothpicks, put the bead on there, get you a little paintbrush, what this is going to do is seal the bead. You might want to do 2 coats, but pretty much that's all there is to it. And I hope this video helps, and I will try and see y'all later, sooner than later. But if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you.